In 2022, Samsung combined its top-performing Galaxy S series, known for its impressive cameras, with the Galaxy Note line that features the S Pen. This led to the creation of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, a flagship phone that offered a multitude of features. With this move, Samsung cleared the fall launch period for its foldable devices, which the company considers to be the future. It's unsurprising that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is not significantly different from its predecessor. Despite that, it retains its signature sharp corners and the trusted S Pen, along with the remarkable 10x optical zoom camera. Despite its similarities to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra still offers some important improvements. The standout upgrade this year is the new 200-megapixel main camera, which delivers stunning photo detail and improved low-light performance. The S23 Ultra also marks a significant shift in strategy for Samsung. Previously, Samsung equipped international models of its phones with the less powerful Exynos chips, while US versions featured better Snapdragon processors. However, starting with the S23 Ultra, all models will be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon chip, regardless of where they are sold. S23 Ultra key features. All models feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, no more Exynos, 200-megapixel main camera and improved other cameras. Base storage of 256 GB, double the previous model. Significant enhancement in loudspeaker quality. 8K 30 video with reduced crop. Gorilla Glass Victus to protection. Battery size unchanged, but improved battery life. Choosing the right Galaxy S23 model is easy with Samsung's offerings. If you want the convenience of the S Pen, go for the Ultra model. If not, the S23 Plus offers a more affordable option while still being lightweight and boasting the same processor, charging speeds, and only a slightly smaller battery, albeit without the 10x optical zoom camera. It still has a 3x zoom camera. For those who prefer a compact phone, the Galaxy S23 is the perfect choice. Additionally, with all Galaxy S23 Ultra models now equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, the issues related to the less efficient and image quality affecting Exynos chip are a thing of the past. This change is beneficial for all consumers. The Galaxy S23 Ultra combines the sharp corners of its predecessor with flatter sides like the iPhone for a unique design. The screen remains slightly curved, and the power and volume buttons are larger and lower for improved accessibility. The rear cameras are slightly larger, and the device is still a glass and metal construction, but with Corning's new Gorilla Glass Victus for improved durability in case of drops. The IP68 water and dust protection remains unchanged, providing the highest level of protection. As for the Galaxy S23 Ultra colors, we have the following: Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Mystic Lilac, Botanic Green. As a leader in display technology, the screen on the S23 Ultra is expectedly stunning, with no significant changes from the S22 Ultra. The biggest advantage is its size, a massive 6.8-inch screen with a wider aspect ratio and increased screen space, making media consumption more enjoyable. The core features remain unchanged, including 1750 nits peak brightness, 1440p resolution, and LTPO technology with a variable refresh rate range of 1 Hz to 120 Hz. After 3 years of using a 108 megapixels sensor, Samsung is now utilizing a remarkable 200 megapixels sensor for its main camera. The 200 megapixels might sound excessive, but the real reason for excitement lies in the detail. Most users may never actually utilize the full resolution. As Samsung employs pixel binning and combines 16 pixels into one superpixel to produce 12 megapixels photos by default. However, this pixel binning technique results in clearer, outstanding low-light shots. Enthusiasts now have access to the expert RAW mode built into the camera app on the S23 Ultra. This mode is more advanced than the standard Pro mode, offering manual camera controls and the ability to shoot RAW files with multi-frame exposures. This year, a new 50 megapixel RAW file option is added, which provides more detail than the default 12 megapixels shot while taking up less space than a 200 megapixel file. S23 Ultra camera specs. 200 MP main camera with improved OIS, f1.7, 23 mm. 12 MP ultra-wide camera, f2.2, 13 mm. 10 MP 3x zoom, f2.4. 10 MP 10x zoom, f4.9. 12 MP front camera. As previously noted, all S23 models feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which has been slightly modified and tuned to a higher clock speed specifically for Samsung. This chip is a powerhouse. The benchmark scores show that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor offers substantial speed improvements, with a 40% increase in single-core CPU performance and a remarkable 50% boost in multi-core performance. These large gains are uncommon and demonstrate the exceptional nature of this chip. Constructed with the latest and most efficient 4nm technology, the new processor is especially beneficial for gamers. Its GPU even rivals or surpasses the one in iPhones, which previously dominated the market. The S23 Ultra boasts a 5000 mAh battery, identical to its predecessor, yet offers improved battery life. With the ability to provide up to 27 hours of video playback, which is a 30% increase from the S22 Ultra, and an estimated 99 hours of audio playback, a 22% increase from the previous model. The improvement is even greater for those upgrading from an Exynos device. Tests show the S23 Ultra has longer battery life compared to its predecessor. In our latest web browsing test, the S23 Ultra saw a significant improvement over the previous model and almost matched the iPhone 14 Pro Max. During YouTube video playback, the S23 Ultra outperformed its predecessor but lagged behind the Pixel 7 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. When it comes to gaming, it was only surpassed by the iPhone. These results are promising and demonstrate the impact of the processor and software on battery life, even with the same battery size.